Libakaw Aklan. Hi guys!
Hello.
Kaya kami sa Manica. We're going to tour in this place. Oh my gosh. Ay. Kaboy, sanda. Oh my gosh. It's so magaoy.
Hapo na.
Oh my gosh. Exploring of. Ayan. Wow, what is this? What is this? It's a kaingin.
Bisaya rice.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Wow. Look. It's so
Nakadaan ito.
wow. Siin. Oh, this is agano.
Baka.
Yeah. Oh, there's a people here. Ay! The temperature is ano daw. Guys, there's a people here. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's burning. Look. Yeah, wow. Ano? Review. What is that? Ayun dun.
Ha?
Ayun dun.
Teka, ano nun ba akong
It's like a whistle.
ay, kasabok ko. Ito ito yung kasabok.
There's a people here. Oh my gosh. I like it. It's so good. So kawawa ka naman. Ako cellphone lang hawak. Nag-aoy pa. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. Oh my god, there's another people. Oh my god. She's walking
Look.
around. Wow! I like it. Wow. Wow guys, ang ganda.